The battle for LA, the Lakers versus the Clippers. Lou Williams had 42 points in tonight's game. This is his third career game of 40 points or more. Lonzo Ball, he had one of those games. He only had 3 points tonight. Clarkson gets the assist to Pope in the corner. Every time somebody scores, the crowd is going crazy. It's LA versus LA. Lou Williams gonna get all the way to the paint and throw down a slam. He doesn't do that often, but when he does, it's always exciting. In the second half, it doesn't matter who they put on Lou Williams. He's gonna pump fake and he still gets it in front of the defense. Hand in the face, it doesn't matter. Clarkson hits Pope again. They have the magic connection. And Clarkson is really doing good. When Lonzo has a bad game, Clarkson comes in and he picks up the slack. The Lakers have the lead in the fourth quarter. That's a big three. They have a little bit of a cushion. They're feeling good. Maybe they can get this win. Blake gonna drive baseline and throw down a thunderous slam to take the lead. Clippers in transition. Blake gonna do it again. This time he finishes with the layup. It's a 5-point game, and here's the injury for Blake Griffin. Man, that's just unfortunate. His own teammate, Austin Rivers, lands on his knee, and it bends. Ooh! You could see the pain. Immediately he goes down, and it doesn't look good. So we'll find out how severe it is. He is walking off on his own, so that's a good sign. Lou Williams, they couldn't stop him. The Clippers are going to win the Battle of LA. Up the middle, up the middle. Oh, that's a murder. Oh, big hitter fumble on the goal line. Let's go. The only bad thing is if I throw a pick, it's a pick six. This area of the field, so I got to be very careful. He has to be wide.